Let her do it. How come Matrona chose to make weapons?
I don't know. I guess
She likes to fight. Don't she?
Yes. In school, she fights her friends.
She does.
And
No good, Matrona. It's not funny.
she's a mess.
She's a mess.
One time, two bricks very fast. They exploded. I got it. No, with your finger, I got it. No.
Hi guys, today we are going to be making gummy bears. So the ingredients are,
Ooh!
yeah, we have some forms. So the ingredients are, we have two kinds of kombucha. They have apple kombucha and pineapple. We have honey, gelatin, grape juice, 100% grape juice, Nature's Promise Organic, and then we have carrot juice. We're gonna have to shake it up when we put it in the fillers.
Okay, so what flavor we create first?
So, what flavor does Johnny want? What flavor?
I would, which flavor?
With which one?
That one.
Grape with apple.
Grape and apple, good idea. What about you, Tommy?
I would also like grape and apple. Matrona, what would you want?
This.
Okay, and this or this? Okay,
Good.
so she wants a grape with pineapple.
All right. So what
So-
kind of shape we making?
We're
What we
making
have?
all kinds.
All
so
kinds.
We right now gummy bears, of course. So we have
Gummy bears. What else we have?
We have weapons. I don't know
Weapons.
where we got that from, but
We have
we
pumpkins.
also have pumpkins. Flip your thing on the back side, guys. Okay.
Yeah, I like this.
All right. So what we need to do? Do you remember, guys? A couple of years ago, we did cooking class with a bunch of kids. So do you remember?
We need to get
Kombucha.
Why do we add kombucha, guys?
because they have healthy probiotics in them.
Yeah, and we gave a little bit, right?
Yes. So
Homemade kombucha. Let's go. How much juice we need?
we need 1 cup of juice. Grape.
How much we need?
We need 1 cup. It's right up to there.
Thank you.
Please hold it.
By the way, guys, it's 8:30 p.m. and it's school night, and we're making gummy bear. What we are thinking about?
And you might want to stop right about there.
Okay, that's about 1 cup.
Pour it in.
Now,
On my nose.
and the honey.
Okay. How much we need gelatin?
1 tablespoon
2 tablespoons.
or 2 tablespoons for gelatin. One.
Measure correctly. That's correct. Little more. 1 more. Measure correctly. This kid's well trained.
Okay,
Now honey.
now 2 tablespoons of honey. I guess we'll do it easy way. So you pour it on top. Here, you want to try? Let me try.
Why Matrona wearing St. Patrick's t-shirt today? Do you know, guys? Who dressed her up this way?
Okay, so Matrona's gonna do it for us. Keep going.
Good job, Matrona.
Pull it out.
Little more? Matrona,
There,
yummy.
that's about 1 tablespoon.
Little more. Little more.
I'm not. Dump it in. I'm
It's licking the honey.
Add little more.
A little more? Okay.
Just tiny bit.
Just
Yeah,
Okay.
we are making
about
candy
enough. That's
after
about
all.
enough.
That's enough. Okay, now you need to whisk all together.
Whisk.
Okay.
Whiskey.
With a whisk.
Take your whisk.
Still.
Good job, Tommy.
I am yummy.
Going to be very yummy.
Gummy bears is actually the favorite sweet that mommy makes. I think it's my favorite dessert. that Mom uses.
And my favorite snack in lunch or something like that.
All right, that's good. So now we need to put in a stove and warm up.
Yes. It's heating up, so we're gonna be whisking until has no like clumps in it.
All dissolved, right?
When it's all dissolved, okay. So it is about
To be done.
It is basically
You see, now
all dissolved. It doesn't have any.
It was cloudy and now it's nice and clear.
Yes.
And it's all perfect. I think it's ready to pour in our mold.
Okay. Turn it off. So now we're gonna get special.
Oh, Johnny has already.
And we only have one.
No, we have way more than one.
Well, yeah, because I couldn't find it.
And you pour it all the way to the top.
Professional.
Matrona, you want to do too?
I'm gonna because
Yours complete?
yep, mine is complete. See,
What we need to do now, Thomas? Thomas, once you complete, what you need to do?
now we put them in the
Fridge, not freeze.
So we have to hold them very carefully and stick them in the fridge.
We forgot to add kombucha, guys.
Oh yes.
Maybe with next batch.
Yes.
Oh, yeah.
Next batch.
So this one has no probiotic, right?
You guys, if you do this mistake, it's fine. It's part of cooking.
That's right, baby. All
If you make
mistakes is
mistakes, you can
part of
always do
cooking.
it again. If you make mistakes, you can always do it again.
Cooking is experiment.
Yes. It's experimenting with things you eat.
So it's done? Can you put in the fridge?
Mine's not done. Mine not done.
No, turn.
Mine's done.
Really carefully.
She
I'll hold it while you put it down.
She won't do everything on her own. You cannot help her. Christmas pants and St. Patrick's t-shirt. Who dressed you up this way?
Me.
You?
This is good.
Did you taste it?
I'm gonna taste it. This is good.
Okay.
Messy colors.
Yes, I'm a messy. Now we're doing the pumpkin shape.
Did she?
Should we do the dolphin?
And we have a good idea.
The cup.
So the carrot juice is orange, right? We mix the carrot juice with the kombucha, of course.
Apple?
The apple kombucha, and
Good combo. What kind of you have?
it'll
Oh, ABC.
look like an actual pumpkin because the juice is orange.
Yeah.
But
Let's do it.
so far, now we are doing the same thing, but with the carrot juice and the apple kombucha.
Good combo, baby.
And the yummy.
And going to be yummy? Two? 1 cup.
Carrot.
Yes.
Carrot.
Since I already
Oh,
put some
so
in,
orange.
it'll be
So
a little bit less than a cup because I already accidentally poured some in, but
Oh, it's okay. You remember, cooking is a experiment.
a little bit more.
Why?
Because the fillings are bigger.
But
Okay.
now we need to adjust. You
Don't
add
worry,
one.
It'll be like a little bit more tablespoon, right?
Yes, a little bit more gelatin. You're right. Now we need to add more gelatin. You're right.
Still have honey.
Add honey first.
Oh yes, I'll add the honey first.
And then
I want to do it.
one more. You can add. You can add little more. Okay, that's enough. Now I believe it's 2 full tablespoons.
Don't worry, it's gonna be really sweet.
1, 2,
2.
and since you add more juice, you mean you have to add 1/4 of gelatin powder.
So 1/4.
Uh-huh. That's 1
This
teaspoon.
is 1 teaspoon.
That will do.
Okay, yes.
Perfect. Whisk.
Now.
Oh, kombucha.
Oh, don't forget the apple kombucha.
Oh, yeah.
We'll do 1 tablespoon. Or 2 tablespoons, I mean.
Yeah.
Hold this, please. Hold it. Hold it.
You should do above.
Above this. Yes, hold it above this. Okay. Put it down. Now we finally whisk.
I want to do it. Me.
One whisk.
Let's heat up
We have a
this.
lot of
Good job. Let's heat.
orange leaves. As you see, there's no more clumps in it, so it's all
Nice and clear.
Yep. See?
Was cloudy first, right?
Yes,
And now it's
it's orange.
all right.
So-
Let's.
Can't wait to taste carrots.
Can I go?
Yep.
I'm going to put this one. Okay, let go. Oh, no. Oh. Honest. Listen.
There. Don't worry.
How to fix? Remember I taught you
Oh,
how
yes.
to do?
We have special things.
Offset spatula?
No.
Wait a
Stop.
Fix it?
Stop.
It's another way to fix it. Not funny. She said it's not funny.
Yeah, it's not funny, and she thinks it is funny. So now we put it in the fridge. We put it in the fridge. Welcome back, guys. We finished freezing our
Chilling.
or not freezing, basically so hardening our gummy bears.
Okay.
And we got.
Are they
the
ready?
pumpkins, yes. And Matrona has her weapons, and Johnny has his gummy bears.
Okay, let's.
Let's take them out.
3, 2, 1, go.
Push the bottom.
Yep.
Goes out.
This one doesn't really get out.
Just like that.
One is stuck? No.
No stuck.
Well, mine broke
But
down.
it's literally a gummy bear.
I broke
Yeah.
down. Oh no, Matrona, you didn't do it right.
It's fine.
So just eat it.
Can I eat it? Can I take a bite? Wait. Let's do the easiest one first. That's really good. Let's see what the pumpkins look like.
Oops. I guess we're just gonna. Matrona's
They
ripping
look
a
like
lot.
actual pumpkins. Look. They look like actual pumpkins.
It's so wiggly.
Should I taste it?
Mm-hmm.
It's gonna be
It's so bouncy. It's so bouncy. Hey, mommy, it's so bouncy. Carrots.
Yummy?
It's so perfect gummy bear. Little tiny. Hey, so Alice,
That tastes
mommy,
pretty good.
It's so. Look at that little guy.
Okay, let's collect all of them.
The ones that are little are Johnny's. The ones that are fat are mine.
Yeah.
We made
Jelly
We made our gummy bears, and we made gummy pumpkins too. We made the bright orange ones, and there's a dark
Johnny,
orange.
can you do for me one more
There's
time like
also
that?
a dark
Can you
orange
show me one more time like that?
Mommy, I want to eat one.
purple.
Okay.
I want to eat one.
And we got scraps from Matrona's,
It's a little broken.
and the actual gummy bears.
Sure.
Make sure to subscribe my mom's channel and like.
Bye
Bye bye.
bye.
See you next time.
See you